Hello guys, welcome back to this channel. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how we can change line spacing in Microsoft Word mobile app. Okay, let's get into it guys. I have opened my document in my Microsoft Word mobile application. And for example, I'm going to change the line spacing of this document. First of all guys, I'm going to select all the text in this document. I'm going to click on select all and we can click on this menu. We can go to this menu, click on this little arrow, and make sure you select the home menu. And you can scroll down to find the paragraph formatting. Okay, and choose the line spacing right here. And here you will be able to change the line spacing of your document. And for instance, I'm going to select this one, 1.5. Okay, and now the line spacing of this document has been changed. Alright guys, and that's all the way to change line spacing in Microsoft Word mobile application. I hope this tutorial will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching and see you in the next video.